In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate Canva effectively. Whether you're a beginner or just need some quick tips for handling text in your design projects, this guide will walk you through the essential steps. To start, head over to Canva's website and log into your account. If you don't have an account yet, signing up is straightforward. You can use your email, Google account, or even Facebook. Once logged in, you'll be greeted with Canva's home interface, which is both friendly and intuitive. Here you can choose to create a new design or open an existing one. Both options are easily accessible from the dashboard. Let's dive into working with text. To copy text from your design, locate the text box you want to duplicate. A simple right-click on the text will present a menu of options. From there, select Copy. Alternatively, if you prefer using shortcuts, you can press Ctrl+C if you're on a PC. A handy tip for speeding up your workflow. After copying, redirect your attention to the canvas where you want to place this text. Right-clicking on the canvas offers another set of options, and you should select Paste to place your copied text exactly where it's needed. If you're working across several designs, you can still paste the text into a different Canva tab on your PC, making multitasking seamless. Next, if you want to duplicate text, right-click the text once more. Look for the duplicate option. Selecting this or pressing Ctrl+D will create a copy of your text box, aligning perfectly with your current design aesthetic. This can be particularly useful when you're creating consistent sections or labels across a design project. Finally, for more refined control over your text placement, hold down the Alt key on your keyboard. Click on the text you want to move, then drag it around the canvas. Doing this allows for precise positioning, as it disables Canva's auto-snapping feature. Feel free to experiment with the layout until it feels just right for your design's needs. With these steps, you've learned not only to manage your text more efficiently in Canva, but also have gained insights into making your design process smoother and more effective. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to explore and apply these new skills in your projects. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful Canva tips. Happy designing!